Do you want to put the spotlight on a particular painting in your home? Do you want to create mood lighting for the beautiful decorations in your home? Do you want to add the magic of spotlighting to all parts of your home? Then what you need is a good wall spotlight. The focus of a wall spotlight is to highlight and beautify a certain part of your home while looking good by itself. You need to make sure that the spotlight fulfills your purpose of lighting up a particular object or corner of your house. Does the spotlight need to be wide or sharp focused? You also need to ensure that the wall spotlight itself goes well with the wall and the decor of your home. The best way to select a wall spotlight is to actually check it out in a store. However, if you want to select one online, then this video with the top 5 most popular wall spotlights will be helpful. You might find exactly what you're looking for, or you might head in the right direction to find the best choice for your home. Take a look at these wall spotlights and remember that the wattage, the spread of the light, and the kind of bulb are all important factors.